Hello everyone, this is Mr. Jackson and we are looking at our math homework for Monday, November 26th, 2012. Item number 5. We've seen this many times now and we should be getting better at taking care of it. What do you see when you look at item number 5? You see a bunch of hearts. Well, how many hearts do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you notice about the hearts? Some are shaded or black, some are not shaded or white or plain. So now that you have identified what you see, let's see if we can answer some of the questions they may ask. Part A. What is the total number, denominator, of hearts? Remember, a denominator tells you how many equal parts there are in all. And these are equal because they are the same size heart. So what is the total number that you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the total number of hearts is 5. Pretty simple. Part B. What is the numerator of non-shaded hearts? The numerator tells you how many of those equal parts you focus on or concentrate on or look at. Okay, they're asking you about the non-shaded hearts. What is the numerator? Not the fraction, just the numerator of non-shaded hearts. If you were writing a fraction, what would your numerator be for the non-shaded hearts? This one's not shaded, that's 1. This one's not shaded, that's 2. This one's not shaded, that's 3. So the numerator would be 3. If they were asking about non-shaded hearts. If they were asking about shaded hearts, then your numerator would be 2. Because you would be focusing on the shaded hearts, that would be 2. But since they ask you about non-shaded hearts, we focus or concentrate on the non-shaded hearts, and that numerator would be 3. Now part C, they ask for a fraction. What fraction of hearts is shaded? So we can't just give them the numerator shaded, which would be 2. We've got to give them the numerator and the denominator. And the first thing we do is draw our fraction bar. Second thing we do is place our denominator, and we already know that our denominator is 5 because there are 5 equal parts in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll place a 5 here in the denominator. Now, the numerator, how many equal parts we focus on or concentrate on, they're asking for shaded, so that's going to be 1, 2. Numerator is 2. Once you have drawn your fraction bar and placed your denominator and then placed your numerator for the ones they ask you to concentrate on or focus on, you should be able to read the fraction. We say 2 out of 5 or 2/5. It's important that this is said as fifths because we have broken the whole set into 5 equal parts. Some of the parts are shaded, some of them are not. But they're all equal because they're the same size and same shape. And how many of them do we have in all? 5. So we would say fifths. If our denominator was a 3, we would say thirds. If our denominator was a 10, we would say tenths. And so forth and so on. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, please email me at ClassJump. Thank you.